Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Log in YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into public bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for public bank login in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on screen where you need to click on it, and you'll be redirected to the official login page of public bank where it is asking us for our user ID. So let me show you an example, and you'll be redirected to the another page where public bank wants to confirm whether it's you or not. So make sure you use your own personal ID and click to yes and enter your password that you use to register. So yeah, once your credential is done, click to login and you will be able to log in. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on reset password at right side sign-in screen and complete the formalities and you'll be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into public bank, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.